Hi everyone, myself Dipanjan Ghosh, and I'm over here to review one of the product which I've got received from Woodman. Actually, the matter is that I own a WagonR of 2016 model. Now I was planning to upgrade this car because due to the fact that this car is too old in kind of technologies, is it not? Like you must have seen that most of the time WagonR comes with those all old-fashioned music systems, which I was really worried about. That how can I change or get rid of that? And that was the first reason. And I keep on traveling here and there, so I need the GPS also a lot. And whenever I take out my mobile for using it, it becomes a big headache. I have brought many of the dashboard mobile holder, but those all actually, frankly speaking, doesn't work out very well. Fine. So that is the reason I was searching it for a long time in online, and later I found that a company called as Woodman, which was actually many of the internet users were suggesting me, like those who have used were having a very great review, personal channel, not any promotion videos. So they were having a very great review of this product. Okay, so even I got a thought of taking this one, looking for that one. And as the lockdown was going on, so I had a lot of time to spend with this particular thing, and I was searching a lot that where I'll be able to get the good thing. I was trying to know that how will be the fitting, because if people know very well if I'll be putting something after market, then it becomes an issue with the warranty, as well as it becomes the issue of the fitting. As the company fitted ones comes, you will find out there is not any issue with the fitting and all. Okay, it's a tip-top fitting you will get generally. But when I saw the reviews and when I came to know everything, all the facilities of these all things, I am a kind of tech guy. I always try to use something which is upgraded. Okay, so I came to know about this particular product, Woodman Big B series. Fine, and I got it from their sites only. I was checking in Amazon, it was quite costly, so I went to their site and service providers and all the things, all the people who are there. I got the WhatsApp number. They kept on giving me all the suggestions regarding this, because when you are buying something online and you don't know how to fit it, where to get it fitted. Actually, I am from a rural area of West Bengal, so it was very hard for me to get the fitters and technicians and to make them understand. Initially I was thinking it's going to be very hard for me, so I had to take all the information, so that if the technicians will not be capable of doing that, at least I'll be able to. But believe me guys, everyone over there helped me a lot. They answered each and every question of mine. The service was awesome. Maybe we'll get any other brand, any other thing, but I don't think so they are going to put that level of service what the Woodman has shown me till now. Okay, it's an excellent service. Let's talk about the installation part. Guys, I want to say that the installation was quite smooth. Actually, I did not expect such kind of service will be provided by the people. Actually, what happened in time of the installation, the guy who was doing it was not capable of installing such a thing. Actually, at least he did not have experience of doing these all things. He was most familiar with whatever he told me, that with the normal music system, like which comes with the stock card, fine, like Maruti stock card music system and normal ones. But the person who did it, like who helped me out, I was given a number, and I had to just do the video call. And believe me or not, after I had done the video call, now I'll be able to do it by myself. I am having that much confidence. Okay, that so smoothly, so nicely they had explained. Actually, they were having a set of the tools by which they would have explained everything. Okay, so they were actually carrying each and every part of this particular unit, and they had shown where to jack which coupler, and actually it's a coupler to coupler fitting. You need not to cut any of the wire, nothing, not even a single thing is needed to be done. You should be knowing how to open this particular cabinet, and that is all. And if I show you the fitting of this one, I don't know, actually it's a night time, and if I'll show you the fitting of this one, you will be able to find out that actually the fitting is quite awesome. You will be able to find out it looks exactly same. I think it looks better than my previous fitted one. Okay, the leather, the plastic fitting is matching together. Whatever they have done for the plastic fitting, all the things are matching together. You will be able to find out over here there are no gaps in between the corners where it's been fitted, so you cannot tell, anyone cannot tell it properly that it's fitted from outside. Or if someone who has not seen it, then like one of my friend who is not that much car enthusiastic had asked me back that where did you get this particular one. Actually it was not there. He thought that it may be the company fitted one. Okay, so you can understand that is the level of the fitting, and even the normal technician will be able to do this work very nicely. It's a very nice one. Even they will suggest you the technician, but actually, as I told you, I'm from the rural area. Through the service, really I was amazed how the people can help such a way. Now let's talk about the system. Actually I was very worried about one thing, that what will be about the outside visibility, because previously I have used a lot of IPS display mobiles, and where I found out that if I'll go to the sunlight, most of the time it happens the brightness is so less that I cannot find out who is calling on in my phone. But for this one, believe me or not, I don't think so. I don't know what is the nit of this display, how much nit of the brightness it shows, but I think it is probably going to be something highest level. Okay, or whatever IPS displays are available, this is a kind of best IPS display I have seen in any of the car. One of my friend is owning a Hyundai car. I have seen his display, and after that, when he only was sitting in my car, he has texted that he has informed me that your car's display is brighter than mine. So you can understand that what I am talking about. So the display wise, there is no issue. You will find out the way the display looks like. It's an awesome way. Okay, the display, which generally the brightness of the display, the color accuracy, everything is perfect. It's not having any kind of issues with those all things. And most of the important thing, this is a India based company, so all the parts and everything is going to be available as they have told me. And the service whatever they have provided me till now, I cannot deny that this is a perfect company for the car accessories or such kind of accessory. So now let's come back to the system. The navigation and everything works very nicely over here. I have installed Google Map. I have installed Google Map over here, which also works in generally as it does in the mobile phone. Okay, so you can find out over here the Google Map is very sharp, and it also supports the voice command. I can ask about the places, it will be able to support. See over here the Google Map, and you can see that with a single tap everything works very nicely. Okay, so it's not required to be done in such a way. And about the connectivity, as because I am recording the video, so I have not turned on my that Wi-Fi system, the hotspot over here. So you need to turn the hotspot on of your mobile phone, and then you can connect it with your this particular device. Even I have tried with the dongle. I have a dongle, so I have tried with that one. Even that works very nicely over here. So if you need to have a very high quality internet, then obviously you can connect a dongle. And then rest of the part, the mirror linking and all the features are available over here. So I'm not going to talk about whatever things others are talking about with you. So I'm going to talk about the utilization, how I'm going to utilize this one. So remember, my father is a big fan of cricket. So I have installed Hotstar. I'm going to install Hotstar over here. I'm not installed yet. Actually, I'm going to install Hotstar over here, and I think if next time, maybe when after lockdown, the IPL starts, my father will be able to enjoy this one, because most of the time he goes with the driver. So father will be able to enjoy this one in the co-passenger seat, the Hotstar. And second one, the Ghana and the YouTube, it performs very nicely. And the sound quality, actually my Maruti system used to like one of the problem you will get in WagonR, any of the owner of WagonR you ask, you will be getting the problem that during the good bass songs, the door and other panel starts to vibrate. Generally that is the reason damping technique is quite famous in case of Maruti owner, the one of the common problem. But for this speaker, one thing I have seen, generally the damping is not required. You can easily control your bass in such a level so that your car, you will be getting the very good bass, as well as your car is not going to vibrate like anything. The doors will not start to like vibrate like a phone vibrator. Okay, so next you can also enjoy the Bluetooth music. You can play the normal Bluetooth in your phone, and you can connect the Bluetooth. Even I can call the I can call the people over here, and even I can answer the phone calls over here. At present I have not connected my mobile phone, so you'll not be able to get that. Except that, what are the more things? The voice command is supported over here, as my car is WagonR, and whatever you are using in your daily life as a mobile phone, you will be able to do that. Now let's come to the sound. It's having 13-band equalizer. You will be able to find out that any kind of equalizer. So let's come to there. Don't be worried about the touch system and the responses. I can take the guarantee of that myself, that whatever I have used till now, it was really awesome. I'll not be able to play it along because it will become a problem if I'm going to upload it in Hotstar, upload it in YouTube. So you are going to get, you don't want the copyright issue. You can get the, so you can get the voice, I hope so. So it was a very nice one, the Bengali song. Whatever, the sounds are also quite clear, the bass is quite clear, and you can go to the bass subwoofer level maximum. So you can change even the colors, as I was talking about the theme color. If you'll have to come back to the thing home page to get the color of the theme. So you can change the colors as you want, and even the background also can be changed. This color which you are able to see, the thing, everything can be changed. I am not going to show you. Everyone knows nowadays how to change a theme, wallpaper, these all things. Music players can be controlled over here. You can add the apps over here for the shortcuts. Okay, if you want to music, then you can add the music like which app you want, you can add it over here. So these all are simple techniques which you will be able to follow it. Fine, I am not going to show you so many things. It's a very normal thing. Each and every child also knows nowadays how to operate these all systems. So that's all. So thank you everyone for watching. But one thing I wanted to say, that if you really wants to buy something, if you are worried about your car, that your infotainment system is quite outdated, so you want to throw the car and get the new ones, then I'll tell you that better you take these all things. It's not that much costly also. It's in budget, and the things are also of good quality, and most importantly, you are going to get service after like installing these all things. It's a very important part, the service nowadays. The company is 15 years old company, and it's India based company totally. Generally these people who are very famous for the subwoofer. I have seen a few of my friends car the subwoofers of Woodman. Nowadays they are also, not nowadays, for a long time only they were producing these all. So thank you everyone, hope you must have understood, and if I have forgot to tell anything, then sorry for that. But mostly what I want to say, that whatever you get in the Android system, same things you will be able to get over here. Thank you, have a nice day.